Hello, so this will be the first in a series of videos that goes over the different features and things you can do within Word. And so this is the desktop version that is open just because it has way more features, capabilities than the online version. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the File button or File tab. So if I hit here, it'll bring me to this page. So I've just opened up a new document. So the very first thing I want to do is head to Save As. Okay, and I'm just going to call it or put it somewhere. So I'm going to put it into my folder here, my business folder, and I'm going to call it Word Test or Word Practice. And I'm going to ensure that the extension down here is the .docx, and if it's in this one here, it's going to be able to autosave. Okay, you'll notice if you do the drop down here, there's lots of different things you could save it as. Autosave is not going to be one of those features for these other things, but I mean, this is handy if you wanted to create a PDF file or create it as a rich text format and so forth. But for today, we're sticking with the Word document. So I'm going to hit Save. Okay, and I'll notice up here, it now has the name of the document that I'm working on. Autosave is turned on. Okay, so it's not a worry anymore, but I can toggle that off at any time. If I want to make some corrections to like a still document and save it, then I can do that, but I'm going to keep it on for the purpose. Heading back to the File tab, there's some other things I can explore with you here. For example, if I'm using autosave and I want to make edits, but not to that original version, all I'd have to do is click Save a Copy, and then another one would pop up exactly the same as what I have saved at this moment through the autosave, and I can work from there. Okay. I can also save as a PDF by just clicking this button here, and it'll export it. The print feature, obviously, or to share. I can share this document with others, and if I hit that, I can share it with different people. I can send it through email, and I can also send invitations that will allow others to edit or just to view the document that I'm working on. Okay, so it could be a collaborative document or not. These other ones here we won't sort of get into, but of course within File you can also go to Open, and you can open different things from your file folders. So you'll likely have to go to Browse, open the different folder you want it from, and select a different document. Okay, so I think that's it for the File tab. Our next video will explore the Home tab.